Now I have found one of the stories at this tarot sites. The story goes like this. They believe in reincarnation, right? Now reincarnation is something which is yet debatable. Scientists may say yes, souls can be reincarnated. Scientists say no. Some scientists say yes. There is paranormal studies, everything is there. There is enough truth, enough proof that reincarnation happens. Now if you see Greek mythology, in that they were the, they believe that soul, once the body dies, soul transcends, it goes up, and the body goes down into the ground. That is that this philosophy has come from Greek mythology, right? But in Christianity, they believe that body and soul is same. They don't believe that body and soul is separate, so they don't believe in reincarnation. But all these tarot readers, half of them are from foreign origin. So I was just wondering, so they are basically using the, this oriental studies of reincarnation. They are more into this, right? Now let me tell you this story. The story is about a man who dies. He was a very spiritual man, or whatever. He had, it was his last birth, and he ascended. But his lady love, she failed to ascend in that, क्या बोलते हैं, in that lifetime. So she had to take birth again. Okay, this man was not ready to let go of this lady love. So instead of going, he had a choice not to come back to earth, not to take birth, but he came back on earth so that he can help this lady love ascend, and in the next birth they can go back together. Now once he takes birth on earth, he forgets everything. That is the law. You don't remember the past memories, so he forgets everything. Okay, and in their lifetime, at some point they meet, and he just by that time he had forgotten everything, and he was into other malpractices. Now spiritually, this is a spiritual story. Okay, spiritually, as per their explanation, he is into these malpractices because he is triggering his lady love to ascend, so that she moves into spirituality. She understands what is life, spiritually, mentally, emotional development happens in that lady, and this lifetime she may ascend. So he is doing all kind of things, bothering her to the hilt. This is the story. Very nice, very romantic. But see, now I am going to put psychological understanding into the story. So you'll realize you cannot see something from only one side. Like when you are reading tarot, you cannot only talk about spirituality. You have to understand the quantum physics theory applied into this. When you are having this story, you have to see how this story, in the story also there is psychology that is being played. Okay, now in this story, the man is sitting doing nothing, because he doesn't need to do anything. He only triggers. That's why they were saying that if you in today's, there is a story going on in net that one couple is there who need to spiritually ascend. They will come, they are twin flame. Twin flame is a concept like they share the same soul, the counterpart, in fact, incarnated in two bodies. It's like that. Soulmate, twin flame. Soulmate is soul contract, soul connection, all these vibrations again that energy vibration level is there. Now this person does nothing, because in this lifetime he doesn't need to do anything. It is that lady she needs to level up. So she will do everything. Now, what actually happens in the story, if you actually look at it, this lady is giving into a situation. If you actually go through this links, you will see that the lady is advised to do and do and do. She will give love, affection, all her, efforts into this just to ascend, while the other part is doing nothing. On a psychology base, this lady is an empath. You will find this lady is almost an empath because unconditional love, forgiveness, all the saintly things. She is she has been portrayed as Mother Mary and reincarnated in a human body. And this man is Casanova. I mean, they are making out a Hollywood story in which the man is Casanova. He goes, runs after ladies. He is full of carnal desires. He is this, he is that, and a lady gets triggered. And he is all doing this because this is the spiritual part. They are explaining it this way. But in all this, psychologically, how this lady is getting hampered, how this lady is being taken of, advantage. The person is actually taking advantage of this lady in a way in this story. Don't take it personally. If any twin flame male is watching, please don't take it personally. I'm just explaining the psychological part of it. This lady will always suffer. She will go through tremendous, psychological pressure, emotional pressure. But this lady is giving, this man is taking. This man will also come across as a narcissist, not narcissist, having narcissistic traits. When this lady is being shown as an empath, this man is being shown as a narcissist. Now, what they are actually exchanging, again, quantum physics. This lady is giving energy, her energy to this man in whichever form, in whichever medium. This man is taking the energy, giving it in another situation. You're getting? So again, there is an energy flow that is running the whole show. But this lady will get psychologically hampered like anything unless she is a very strong person. Now, when this kind of stories are coming out and propagated by these ascended masters, people, almost I have come across 3,000 people responding. These 3,000 people think they are twin flame or soulmate or something in this lifetime. Is it possible? So many soulmates, so many twin flames. But this kind of teaching is happening, and what happens in that, people will start believing this kind of stories. They will do what they are asked to do. Like this lady is advised to do meditation, religious work, so because she is part of his soul. So when she ascends, he also come out of his bad habits and ascends. And there is this third party is mentioned as a smoky-eyed monsters, someone who is having very beautiful eyes, smoky-eyed monster who is taking advantage of this man. This man has betrayed the lady, and now he is getting karmic justice. This is the spiritual part of it. Now, in this, what is actually happening is, this man may be an empath in real life, very humanitarian. Everybody sees him as an empath because he is giving to another lady. So he is being shown as an empath. But he fails to give anything to this lady, where this lady is being shown an empath. But this lady is also drawing energy from another situation, maybe her home, house. Maybe she is having a nice family where everybody pampers her. So she is drawing and she is giving to this. And this cycle is going on. So a distortion is happening, soul distortion. Again, going back to spirituality. Energy flows and then soul distortion. What is the distortion? She is not getting back anything. She is feeling empty. How long one can give? When she will feel empty, she will stop giving. So basically, in the whole thing, if you want to correct the whole thing, what needs to happen? The lady should stop giving. The moment she stops giving, or she should direct her energies towards her home base, from where she was earlier drawing the energy, the family I'm talking, or maybe just home means this. Home is not always this, home can also be this. So she withdraws the energy within her. The man doesn't get energy anymore, so he can't give to another, so he withdraws the energy within him, or maybe to directs it to his home base. And the third party, I'm not even mentioning how it going to. So chain needs to be broken. So what you see is spiritually given to you. There is quantum physics involved in it, if whether you accept it or not. But in this all things, psychological game is going on. This psychological game is not being addressed by these tarot readers. Like a lot of this man always comes back to this lady when he needs her, or maybe he loves her, protects her also from him, because he has some bad habits. He keeps that lady away, pushes her away. Happens. But somewhere there is no such communication, and there is no way this lady can understand this. 3000 twin flame, one or two will understand. What happens to the other? So the thing is, when you propagate this kind of stories, are you really taking into consideration? Means there is a typical patriarchal, thoughts are being propagated. You are dishing out thoughts from the patriarchal society, where the lady is always a giver. She is saintly. She has to be, she should be full in forgiveness, but the man plays. So now I am making the point. It is, don't hate me for saying this, it is my ardent wish to all the twin flame community, or all the ascendant spiritual leaders who are dishing out this kind of things, to understand that this lady is a human being. She cannot always be Mother Mary. She has her own life. She cannot be in her forgiveness mode all the time. She needs something in return. And I have just told you how to stop the cycle of energy flowing. But at the same time, please understand, first point is, if this is a soulmate, if this is a twin flame, how can he cheat? How can he not give back? When you are meeting somebody from your past life connection, as per spiritual preachings. So you will never feel like looking at another person, and that too on superficial level. This monster eye means she has beautiful eyes. The monster with beautiful eyes, I mean, you are falling for someone with beautiful eyes. How superficial is that? So if he is also a divine connection, if he has been coming from a divine connection, how can she be so superficial in nature? Or it was just a friendship between two that has been, given up this makeup of soulmate relationship and dishing out for the purpose of channeling? That is my question. This one question. How can a divine connection, if there is a past life connection? Now, there is no spirituality, no quantum. It's simple. I'm asking a question. When everything cannot be answered through science, the ascendant masters will say, yeah, in a twin flame connection, you come across many hurdles. Now, this is spirituality, bridging that gap between science and. You're getting me? Second is this patriarchal society thoughts, societal thoughts, like the lady should always give, the lady should be submissive. I have problem with this particular thing. There are so many ladies who do not understand this concept. they will be getting bulldozed. Not everyone is strong. They will be highly psychologically hampered. They might lose their time, energy, everything.